Hi everyone. In today's short video, we will look at how to use the desired speed decision object. This video is part of the Vissim basic series. It's gonna be a quick one. So in order to use the desired speed decisions, you need to have a link. What it does is basically the posted speed limit. So this is supposed to be used in that regard. So what you need to do is you basically need to post it where the vehicle will get a new speed. So like here, for example, what you need to do is you need to set up a separate speed for each vehicle class. So for car, LGV, HGV, and you set up the new desired speed. Let's say for cars you have 50s, for trucks you have 40. It is important to know that if a vehicle comes, it will be assigned with the desired speed already, depending on how you load it. And it will only change if it goes through this. So it will only change in that moment when it crosses it. So it's not going to slow down, it will keep driving. And once it crosses it, then it will have the new desired speed, then it will adjust the speed later. So that is something to keep in mind. And just something related to this, if you go to base data distribution desired speed, you can check what is the distribution for it. So if it says 50, Vissim will randomly assign a number within this distribution. So if you see here, the lower limit is 48, the upper limit is 58. You can add intermediate points the same way as you would add for a link. So control right click, or you can just right click create new point, and then you can adjust it. Basically what you say is, if you do something like this, what that means is, let's put it here, 20% of the vehicles will be assigned with a speed below 54. The remaining 80% will have a speed above 54 but below 58. You can use the default settings in Vissim, but what you should be doing is having a survey on site and set up the proper distribution posted, or sorry, the actual distribution, speed distribution for each posted speed limit. I will add the video later to show an example how to calculate or how to convert like a speed survey into such graph. But this was just a short video. Thanks a lot for watching. Like and subscribe please if you like what you are seeing. Thanks a lot. Bye.